Hello everyone, my name is Correa and today I'm going to be talking about InterServer and also the guys from Hostinger. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So as you can see, InterServer offers you a discount, a 65% off when it comes to web hosting. Also, if you hire a plan with the guys from InterServer, you're going to be paying $2.50 per month. Yes, as you can see here, you are going to be having web hosting, cloud VPS hosting, storage, servers, tips about creating websites. Yes? So let's continue analyzing this. The guys from InterServer, they have an epic support. They are available 24/7. You also can chat with them, live chat, just right here. You can call them, you can email them, and many other features, right? Also, you're going to be having also no hidden charges when it comes to web hosting. For example, if you choose the first plan, you're going to be paying $8 per month and you're going to be having easy to use control panel, speed optimization, unlimited storage space, and many other features. Yes. Also, you can migrate your website if you have your website hosted in another company. Also, when you want to hire this most popular plan, this is the VPS Special Virtual Private Servers. Yes, in this plan you're going to be getting 2 GB RAM plus 30 GB SSD storage, multiple operating systems, instant activation, cPanel or direct administration, and many other features. Yes, if you want guys the dedicated servers, you're going to be having these features: memory of 32 GB, hard drive of 2000 GB. Yes, it's a lot, eh? Well, when it comes to dedicated hosting, right? Remember, no hidden charges. Yes, you can choose your plan. Don't forget, I'm gonna be dropping my links down below for you to have your 65% off web hosting. Yes, for all the plans that the guys from InterServer offer. Yes. Besides this, InterServer also tells us why to choose InterServer, because they say for the last 23 years our team has been committed to helping you drive your business and reach your goals. Yes, can you see these beautiful people here? They are there to help you. Yes, they're real, as you can see. Well, what other features do they offer when it comes to hosting services? Standard web hosting, reseller hosting if you plan to resell hosting. Also the guys from InterServer, they have it, right? Email hosting, cPanel hosting, non-profit hosting. If you have a non-profit organization, you can also host your websites here. Student web hosting, if you are students, cheap web hosting for you, website builder, e-commerce, and blog hosting, and many other features as well as VPS and cloud hosting, dedicated servers, and many other features. Yes, so if you just want to start with the guys from InterServer, just don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below for you to have your 65% discount, and after that you're gonna be clicking on buy now. Yes, after you do this, you're gonna be registering your domain if you don't have one domain. For example, here I'm going to be typing, for example, let me see it, for example, Tony Correa today, for example, .com, right? And click on continue. Yes, a first year domain registration, $7.99, yes, and continue. Yes, after this guys, you're going to be completing all these spaces here with your real dates, email, your password, I agree to the terms of service, and I am not a robot, right? Yeah, here is with the guys here we are with the guys from InterServer. Now let's move to the guys from Hostinger. With the guys from Hostinger, you're going to be getting get a free domain. You're going to be getting a free domain. Yes, you're going to be paying $2.99 per month. Yes. This is a special discount, yes, with my links down below the video. Yes, and you're going to be starting. Now let's see the features here with the guys from Hostingers. When it comes to web hosting, you're going to be paying $2.99 per month. And when you're new, you're going to pay $6.99 per month. Yes. What do they offer here? Unlimited traffic. Yes. You can host, you can add your you can have add-ons for 100 websites, 100 gigabyte SSD storage, free weekly backups. Also, you're going to be having your free SSL certificate. What is the SSL certificate? Is this padlock here, right here? Can you see it? Okay, so this free SSL means that your website is going to be secure, and also you're going to be have a nice SEO when it comes to Google. Yes. Also, your free domain, free email, optimized for WordPress. Yes. Okay, so our services include free SSL, free migration. Also, in contrast to the guys, no, not in contrast. I mean, you can, if you have another website hosted, for example, on GoDaddy, you can ever migrate here. Yes, it doesn't cost anything. PHP speed boost, 24/7 tech support, access management, backups, and many other features, as you can see here. Yes, e-commerce optimization and many other features. Yes. Now let's see other characteristics. Yeah, these are the guys from InterServer and the guys from Hostinger. Yes, but don't just take our word for it. Hostinger is a reliable hosting company with years of experience in the short hosting industry. Yes, from the marketing to the UI for managing your site, it feels like a premium host. Yes, these are the companies that recommend the guys from Hostinger, WP Beginner, and Quick Sprout. Yes, recognized companies. For example, you can have cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, domain registration, email hosting, yes, and other features that are very interesting with the guys from Hostinger, right? If you want to start, guys, with this company, you just click on Get Started here, and after that, choose what plan fits you the best. Do you want to create a new website or transfer an existing one? So if you are new to this, you just click on create a new website. How would you build your website? With WordPress, with WooCommerce, PrestaShop, other? Let's analyze and let's check with WordPress. This is the most common. Do you plan to sell something on your website? Yes, usually yes, right? Okay, let's skip this. Yeah, so you're going to be selecting here this plan. And after this, it is here on the cart, so you are ready to buy your plan here. Yes, if you hire the plan for 48 months, this means 2 years, you're going to be paying this quantity of money. Yes, also you can, if you choose, for example, 1 month, you're going to be paying $11. 12 months, $2.99. For 24 months, 2 years, $2.99, and for 48, right? This means 4 years, right? You're going to be paying this quantity of money. Yeah, guys, I hope you have liked my video review, and don't forget also that you're going to be paying here. If you want, you can pay with credit card in the guys from Hostinger. Also, you can use your PayPal account. Yes, it's much easier to fill in blanks here when you want to buy your hosting or your domain. Yes. So you choose InterServer, is $2.50 per month, or the guys from Hostinger, they offer you $2.99 per month, but you need to buy the plan for 48 months. Yes, so it's up to you. Okay, guys, I hope you have liked my video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I really appreciate for watching my videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.